With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is rye has two kinds of varieties, autumn and spring varieties. The correct statement about them is, and the options are: spring varieties harvested in spring while the autumn variety is harvested in autumn. Spring variety dies in spring while the autumn variety dies in autumn. Spring variety is planted in spring while the autumn variety is planted in autumn. Spring variety is grown in tropical countries while the autumn variety is grown in temperature countries. So, there are plants for which flowering is either quantitatively or qualitatively dependent on exposure to low temperature, and this treatment is termed as vernalization. It prevents the precocious reproductive development late in the growing season and enables the plant to have sufficient time to reach maturity. So, vernalization refers to the promotion of flowering by a period of low temperature. So some important food plants, wheat, barley, rye, have two different kinds of varieties, winter or autumn and spring varieties, autumn and spring varieties. Now the spring varieties are planted in spring. Spring varieties of rye are planted in spring. They come to flower and bear fruits. At the or before the end of, prior to the end of growing season. And if the winter varieties, or we can say the autumn varieties, are sown similarly, they fail to flower and produce fruits before the end of growing season. So they are planted in autumn, form seedlings in which they cover winter. The seedlings resume growth in spring. In the spring season. In spring, they bear flowers and fruits in the summer season. So now let us discuss the options. So the first option is spring variety is harvested in spring while the autumn variety is harvested in autumn. Incorrect option: spring variety dies in spring while the autumn variety dies in autumn. No. Incorrect option: spring variety is planted in spring while the autumn variety is planted in autumn. Yes, this option is correct because both varieties, spring variety is planted in spring and the autumn variety is planted in autumn. The spring varieties bear flowers and fruits at the end of the growing season, and autumn varieties bear flowers and fruits in summer. So this is the correct option. The fourth option is also incorrect. Spring variety is grown in tropical countries while the autumn variety, these varieties are basically sown according to the season or grown according to the season. So the correct option here is spring variety is planted in spring while the autumn variety is planted in autumn. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.